Hey everyone, so this is an awesome unboxing that I have for you guys. It's the skincare fridge from Teami Blends. So Teami Blends is a company that makes organic products. A lot of them are like tea-based serums, and they make some really interesting things. And they decided to come out with a skincare fridge because a lot of their products, they were organic and they were going bad, but also because when you have a skincare fridge, it's healthier for the skin to have something that's nice and cool, because if you're going on 3-4 hours of sleep, like I work Monday through Friday and I'm a college student, I barely get enough sleep, and when you wake up, you might have dark circles or inflamed skin. Putting cool products on your skin will help with inflammation. So this is this cute little fridge. It's 10 liters. You can use it for all kinds of things. You can even put snacks in there, and they have like a container so you can put your roller if you have a stone roller, sheet masks in there. And there is an actual depiction of what the product looks like. So you can, this is, I think, I don't know what makes it different than a regular fridge. I think it's just like the temperature or something, but it is cooler, and it shows you that your product shelf life goes up when you have it in a chilled environment between 35 to 40 degrees as opposed to room temperature. So let me open this up. I'm gonna go get this set up, so I'll be right back.